And what are you waiting on, JB?
Lobster. Yeah, it's crazy. You got free lobster.
Chef, is that lobster?
Yeah, we call this lobster a saddleback. So we went inside, we pulled it out, we pulled it over the top, and we cook it like that, and just presents.
Is there another athletic cafeteria in America that has lobster for lunch?
Not to my knowledge. Come in there.
Let's go, boys. Let's have a day, man. Let's have a day. Have a day. Give your best when you don't feel your best. Let's have a freaking day. Have a day. Let's go.
Who's on this? Somebody on defense, man. But look, hey, let's get out here. Let's work. Let's go full speed. Offense versus defense. Let's work. Bust on me. Bust on three. 1, 2, 3. Bust.
Separate, right? Separate.
Vertical threats. Selling vertical.
Get the vertical, trigger. Nice.
Reset. Go. Out of the way. Reach for it. Do it again. You reach down. Scoop it. Reached again. Do it again.
Stay low,
Stay low.
Hey, just stay low on your get off, cuz.
They ain't scooping either. Scoop, grab. Scoop, grab.
Go.
Again.
Possible. Come on, sad bro. Do it right. Do it like.
You keep getting wider and wider. That ain't the problem. The problem is you stand the hell up and you freaking don't scoop the beanbag.
You know when you explode.
Here we go. Now, do me a favor. Feed the power. Beautiful. Good. Grab the bag, JJ. Feed the power. Feed the power. Come on. Give me a better pop in that. Get leverage. There it is. Shoot them. Don't wait till you're in there. No. Chad, you're going speed to power, but you got your head into them right here. Before I get there, I'm shooting my hands out. I'm not waiting until I get there. I'm going early. Do it again. Shoot them early. There it is. Here we go. There it is. Good. Excellent. Right.
You want to trade with Marcus? He could like some Gatorade from this. Thank you.
Okay. Now I want two guards here with 2 3 techniques. One last skill here. Okay.
I see you, 10. I see you, 10. 10. Try to kill him. Don't let up on him.
Come on. You got 2 coming in. Come on. See 2 coming in.
Every day, 1 step, you gotta get there. All right? Like if you ever out there, don't fight and get there. Let's take that. I ain't never seen nobody do that. There's some people got split hands. They ain't seen Odell do that. Hey, why did he stop and not get to the ball? Good job. He's going to do good work. he ain't gonna play. Wasn't me. It wasn't me. It was not me.
Hey! Find him!
Vito! Oh, stay up, good job. You need one? Vito! Bend your knees. 36. Bend!
You and me, Tupac. You and me.
Put you under. Right there. Good.
Probably like them bringing like sitting it down. Depending on their split, like stay outside the hash, 3 yards.
I always want the ball to go through me. The ball gotta go through me. If he's outside the hash, he goes like where he is right now. Yeah, that's a challenge. You gotta make sense. You gotta throw him some type of pass. Six plays down. Don't put nobody in late. Six plays. Jam.
Hey, real quick, guys, listen up. Okay, Coach took care of us today with the speed day, right? Flying around, physical. I thought some of us, honestly, wasted today. Not all of us came out here ready to practice, and it can't happen again. We play a game in 15 days. Let that set in. What did Coach talk about yesterday? Urgency. Guys, if you're not a 1 and you're a 2 or a 3, we are still counting on you. We need all of you. So the urgency has to continue to go up. And then the last thing, like today, he talked about pain, right? 2 pains in life. The pain of discipline or the pain of regret. Pain of discipline, pain of regret. Whatever you accept out here, tomorrow, going forward, leaders of the defense, leaders of the offense, special teams, this can't happen again. Seriously. Urgency. We got to go. We got to respond the right way at the scrimmage tomorrow. Compete with one another. 2, get a break.
Reverend Nate.
Bumps on me, bumps on 3. 1, 2, 3. Bumps.
Hey, get back.
Are y'all set up for child's pose? So you'll take the knees out and reach the arms the opposite direction. What's up? You still got your cleats on. That's not going to be relaxing.
Well, I'm shattered pretty good.
All right, walk your hands over to the right. Good. Glad it's better. Okay, walk your hands to your other side. Reach the arms out long. Out long. Yeah, right there. That's where we need to be. Like I'm gonna inch back up.
You walk like a grandmama who don't want to go to the front door and see who there.
Well, I don't got my boot on.
You like girl who is just at my damn door.
All I need is a moo-moo.
Yep.
All right, guys, you're gonna set up in your 90-90. Right leg is gonna be in front. With your 90-90, right leg is in front. You're gonna rotate your upper body towards your top of your leg and then walk it out. So go ahead, right leg forward.